Today we're going to show you how we plow our driveway with an ATV. So we have a driveway that's over 300 feet long, and this is what we're working with. Overnight we had a snowstorm, and now we have about 10 inches of snow. Let's do a fly over the driveway to see what we're working with. And this is also our longest stretch of the driveway, which is over 200 feet. We're going to be using a 2018 Honda Foreman 500, which has been very reliable so far. It hasn't been started in a while, so let's see if it starts up. QD engine start timer.
It's a lie! It's a lie!
Our plow and winch are from Kimpex, and so far they have been working great. Keep watching to see why. You should turn your blade to the side. Your blade should be angled to the left or right as you make consecutive passes. Each time, it throws the snow forward and to the side that the blade is angled towards. This makes plowing efficient. The weather on the day of this recording was about minus 15 degrees Celsius or 5 degrees Fahrenheit. So I like to stay warm. That's why I wear a Hallie Hansen workwear one-piece suit. This thing is super warm and amazing for cold temperatures. I'm going to be plowing our turnaround area of the driveway. This area can be a bit tricky as there isn't a lot of room for the snow. So I have to push the snow over as far as possible during the early winter months so that I have enough room throughout the season. Let's get the drone out here again and show you a top-down view of the driveway after it's been plowed. I also have to share this amazing view with you. This is what we're surrounded by. Here is another view to show you how efficiently an ATV can plow a driveway. So if you've been contemplating on purchasing an ATV to plow a driveway and have the money for it, I strongly suggest you go for it. Now it's time to do a quick look over, and I also like to wipe off the snow from the tires, brakes, cables, and winch to prevent the snow from freezing and causing issues in the future. If you found any value in this video, please like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notifications to be notified when we release our next video.